in China, it's a culture of helping each other, being more like, we would say in Chinese, 团结. And I like that in a way, because you can get more stuff done if you're with more. Because let's say in Belgium or in Europe, we're a bit more on ourselves. So we do everything ourselves, but we don't really involve too many other people. People need to see with their own eyes before they can judge. But people like to judge before they've seen. But they don't know, because they only know from what they hear or see on social media or on the news. And then these people, once they came to China, they can see with their own eyes, are actually, wow, it's actually not true. It's way more positive. Like people come to China, or Chinese people even come to Europe and can see with their own eyes and judge with their own feeling. And so now a positive point that many more Europeans come to China and they have communications with each other.